We're almost at the center of 2025, and even though Samsung announced and released the S25 series of smartphone for this year, I am going to talk about if it's worth taking up the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra here in 2025. Let's go. I've been using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for almost 6 months now. I picked mine up at the end of October of 2024, even though that's a bit late compared to when it was released, which was January of 2024. The S24 Ultra was also given the graceful award by many tech reviewers as the smartphone of the year for 2024. In this video, I will be talking about some of the reasons why I love this smartphone, why I'm obsessed with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and why I think you should go ahead and pick it up right now instead of the S25 Ultra. At its core lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 4nm Titan engineered to dominate. With AI neural processing twice as fast as its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, this chip doesn't just think, it anticipates. Seamlessly juggle 8K video editing, console-grade gaming, and multitasking across apps, all while staying cool under pressure. The future isn't just fast, it's unstoppable. Like, this phone easily powers through whatever I throw at it, whether it's gaming, multitasking, social media browsing, whatever it is, video editing, this phone will get it done. This is the 1TB version with 12GB of fast RAM. So yeah, it's packing a heavy punch compared to nowadays laptops and PCs. Fueling this marvel is a 5500 mAh intelligent battery, Samsung's largest yet. With 45-watt super fast charging, it goes from 0 to a day's power in minutes. I realize I can get my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from 0% to 100 in 1 hour and 15, maybe 14 minutes, depending on the temperature of your surrounding or the temperature of the phone. The cooler it is, the faster it will charge. So try keeping your device cool while charging it. But endurance is its true triumph. AI-driven optimization learns your habits and stretch your battery life to long hours of up to 36 hours of usage. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 3x display, where every pixel is a revolution. With a 2500 nit peak brightness, sunlight dissolves before its gaze. The 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate glides like silk, while Quad HD Plus resolution paints reality in hyper clarity. And for the first time, anti-reflective nanoglass turns glare into a memory. This isn't a screen, it's a portal into another dimension. So yes, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was the first device from Samsung to feature their famous anti-reflective coating on their smartphone screens. Samsung displays were already beautiful. With this anti-reflective coating, makes them even more amazing, especially in outdoor, harsh sunlight conditions. Clad in aerospace-grade titanium armor, the S24 Ultra is as rugged as it is refined. Its flat-edge design marries elegance with ergonomics, while Gorilla Glass Victus 3 defies drops and scratches. With IP68 water resistance, storms bend to their will. This isn't just a phone, it's a heirloom. With 200 megapixel adaptive pixel sensor, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra conquers light itself. Nightography Hyper turns midnight into magic, while the 10x optical zoom, now stabilized by AI lock-on, brings galaxies to your fingertips. And with 8K video snap, every frame is a photograph. Here, every moment becomes immortal. The cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is nothing but phenomenal. Every snap you snap, those photos will be able to capture whatever memory it is you want to capsule without any flaws whatsoever. It's a beautiful smartphone with beautiful cameras. Stay ahead with Wi-Fi 7 and 5G Quantum, delivering speeds faster than thought. The ultra-wideband chip transforms your phone into a car key, smartphone remote, and wallet, and guarding it all with Knox Vault 2.0. an unhackable fortress for your data. The S24 Ultra doesn't just connect, it protects. Born from Samsung's zero carbon pledge, its titanium is recycled and its packaging plant-based. Even the S Pen is crafted from ocean-bound plastics. Power in the future shouldn't be costing the earth, and with the S24 Ultra, it didn't. And we all know no smartphone is perfect, but the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a marvel, given the fact that this phone is over a year old and still packing a punch in 2025, even comparable to the iPhone 16 Pro Max and even beating the iPhone 16 Pro Max in certain aspects. I'm Chevaughn Beckford, and if you found this video interesting, feel free to hit the subscribe and the like button so I can continue making more videos like these. Chevaughn Beckford, signing out.